If your doctor says that you have to do 2 dialysis or 3 dialysis in a week, actually the parameter in medical science of dialysis is 3 dialysis in a week. But what should I do? Can I take 2 dialysis or can I take 3 dialysis? This question is arises to every dialysis patient mind. And today I will give you the answer of this question. Actually, the question is about the 2-3 dialysis is depend upon the potassium level and water. Actually, those people whose urination is good and potassium level in his test is good, means nominal, then he can take 2 dialysis in a week. And if his potassium level is high and water is stored in the body, also the urination is very low, then he should take 3 dialysis in a week. It is very important. Otherwise, the person suffering from kidney disease suffer from laziness, breathing problem, and many others problem. Thus, those have problem of urination, potassium, they have to do 3 dialysis in a week. Also, I tell you another important thing is that those people who do 2 dialysis in a week, he needs less protein than 3 dialysis in a week. This is due to that dialysis machine can remove all the impurities from your body, including the protein. And if you don't take protein, you feel very tiredness. In 2 dialysis, you can say that in 2 dialysis the protein level decreases in a less amount than 3 dialysis. So you have to take more protein in 3 dialysis, and there is less restriction in 3 dialysis to eat anything, but it is a very restriction in 2 dialysis in diet. Another thing is that the time in 3 dialysis there is consumption of lot of time. Those people who work, they don't have much time to spend our time to doing dialysis 3 times in a week, because every dialysis consume 6 hours in a day. So it is very difficult. Those people who are working, they have to go another day in office, business, and many works, they have the responsibilities. So I prefer, or else I also advise those people who are doing 2 dialysis in a week, they have to restrict his diet and water so that they can do 2 dialysis in a week. Also, if you want to do 2 dialysis in a week, and you want urine in your blood in a good level, you have to do one more important thing, the smart thing. And the smart thing is removing water from your blood during dialysis. Actually, when the technician said that what is your weight, and you tell that my weight is 62 and the weight gain is 2 kg, then the technician set the water level 2.5. Your body have only 2 liter, and your machine can remove 2.5 liter. It's very dangerous. If your dialysis machine remove more water from your body, your urination will be stopped, and you can't again continue your urination. It's very difficult. Then you have to do 3 dialysis in a week.